gems. I found a hidden gem at Pennsauken Sweet Shop. They have a 10-scoop sundae, 1 scoop of each of their toppings. And if you finish this, you get a t-shirt. So Frankie Meatball standing here with my good friend Larry. He is the owner of this establishment and the founder of the Larry's Pig Dinner. Larry, welcome aboard, bro.
Thank you.
I just want to ask you, how did you come about the Larry's Pig Dinner?
Well, it goes back about 40 years ago to a place called Greenwood Dairies.
Okay.
That was located up in the Pendle section of Pennsylvania. So when we were kids, we would go there with my father, and my father would try and conquer the pig's dinner at that time. So when we thought about opening the ice cream shop, we thought, not such a bad idea to start a pig's dinner here.
Did you ever conquer the pig's dinner?
Never.
Did you? How many times did you try?
I haven't tried yet.
Oh, haven't tried yet.
You need to have, 10 flavors that you like, and I'm really not a big ice cream eater, up to maybe 2 or 3 flavors.
Okay. And what kind of ice cream do you use?
We use the Philadelphia Water Ice Factory water ice and their Richmond ice cream.
So we got 10 scoops of Richmond's ice cream, toppings, everything else. How many people actually tried this pig dinner?
We've had about 11 people have tried it.
And out of those 11, how many actually made it?
We have about 5 that conquered the pig's dinner. 1 is a 2-time winner.
2-time winner?
Yes.
Oh, nice. And if you conquered the Larry's Pig Dinner, do you give the customer anything?
Yes, we do one of our Pennsauken Sweet Shop t-shirts.
You got a Pennsauken Sweet Shop t-shirt and bragging rights.
That's correct.
Anything else? Do you hang your picture?
No, we haven't hung our picture. We take pictures and we put it on our website.
Okay. We're getting ready to get started. Josh is preparing for the Larry's Pig Dinner. And if you look over here behind us, here's the start of the Larry's Pig Dinner. We got some ice cream here. We got, what's this, cookies and cream. We got strawberry. We got birthday cake. What else we got, Larry?
It looks like a little bit of butter pecan, some cookie dough. Here, yeah. Okay, we still have about 3 flavors left to put on top of this thing.
So that's not even all the ice cream?
That's not even complete yet, no. So
Okay.
what are we getting here?
Is that a banana that's on the bottom?
There's a banana on the bottom.
Oh.
Our liquid toppings, chocolate, water. We have chocolate sauce. We have...
Josh thinks he's man enough to conquer the Larry's Pig Dinner. We'll see. So while they're putting the finishing touches on the Larry's Pig Dinner, I'm going to let the professionals handle the ice cream, and I'm going to take a back seat and watch my son try to conquer this dinner.
Okay, so what I want to do is come over and I want to wish you a little bit of luck before we get this thing started. We are ready to go.
You heard it from Larry. You see this monster of a mountain of ice cream. We're going to see if he can conquer it. I don't think so. I'm going to time him because I'm going to see. He told me a half an hour. Ha! He doesn't even get a shower in a half an hour. Half an hour? He's probably a half an hour late for school. That's what a half hour he's talking about. But we'll see if he can conquer the Larry's Pig Dinner. Are you ready, Josh? Are you ready?
Ready since I woke up.
He said he was born on a green light. 1, 2, 3, start. Gotta lick the plate clean or it doesn't count.
Cherry. There was 3 on there from the beginning.
Cookies and cream. What else you got? How the people
Cream.
want to know?
Strawberry. Got coffee. Got birthday cake. Chocolate. Like, oh, I almost
Go on. I think his name was Larry. It's Larry's friend Larry. He's the pig. He did it. 26 minutes, guys. And he wins the Pennsauken Sweet Shop shirt.
Tomorrow he gets to come back for
Free ice cream is always tomorrow, but it's gotta be tomorrow. So guys, from Larry Pig Dinner, Pennsauken, New Jersey, at Pennsauken Sweet Shop. 10 scoops of ice cream, a scoop of each of the toppings. He did it. If he could do it, you could do it. This is Frankie Meatball on Hidden Gems. And remember, every road leads somewhere. And this road led us to the Larry's Pig Dinner. We'll see you next time.
We're here with Frankie Meatball at Hidden Gems, here in the Pennsauken Sweet Shop as Josh just conquered the Larry's Pig's Dinner.
Let's see you conquer the pig's dinner.